Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best GoPro selfie sticks. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the GoPro 3-way tripod official mount. Capturing pics may be very clean with the GoPro 3-way grip selfie stick. It's a 3-in-1 precise style selfie stick. You can use it as a digicam grip, extension arm or tripod. You can take a diffusion of different shots effortlessly. The robust grip of this stick makes it efficient. You also can detach the cope with and use it as a lightweight digital camera grip. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the GoPro Session Silver Camera's Telescopic Selfie Stick. This GoPro selfie stick makes capturing selfies clean. You can capture stunning selfies with its adjustable arm. This GoPro selfie stick may be very transportable and light in weight. You can also dispose of the mount meant for a GoPro to show a well-known mount. This is like-minded with other devices. A tripod is likewise integrated on this GoPro selfie stick. At number 3, we have the LENDOO Extendable Pro Pole Adjustable Selfie Stick. This is a beneficial GoPro selfie stick with a variety of creativity. This GoPro selfie stick lets you to seize a spread of pictures quickly. This selfie stick is extendable from 19 cm to 49 cm. It is also one of the lightest GoPro selfie sticks you can cross for. It is portable and springs with extraordinary accessories. Furthermore, it's made of aluminum. It additionally permits you to capture pictures whilst underwater if you decide upon. At number 2, we have the Luxebell Adjustable Telescopic Monopod Session Selfie Stick. This is another one of the pinnacle GoPro selfie sticks you may test out. You can enlarge it as much as 45 inches. It can paintings with all extraordinary varieties of cameras. You can alter the duration via an adjustable arm. This GoPro selfie stick additionally works with gadgets that have timers in them. And finally, at number 1, we have the professional Monopod Selfie Bluetooth Cell Phone Selfie Stick. This GoPro Expert selfie stick is like-minded with a ramification of virtual cameras. The Bluetooth faraway shutter permits you are taking selfies without effort. You can lock the rod at your favored duration. You don't need to waste time with any screw changes. All you need to do is a twist and lock the rod in area. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this GoPro selfie sticks, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.